All right, welcome back to PinballHelp. Here I have the Harvard Standard Metal Typer, and I think I have got it lined up and it feeding nice. This is kind of a really intricate kind of thing that has to be set up just the right way. So let me see if I can demo it, and we'll see if it's working. So there we go. Kicks the coins out, feeds another one in. Yes. Oops. Oh, it's ran out of coins. Let's try that again. Okay. Coins and yes, and it's feeding them into the right position and everything. The stamper part works quite well. This thing, the lever on the left side lifts this thing up and it comes down and it goes slam and it slams into it, and this turns the letters, and there we have it. The way this thing is designed is it really needs to be inside of the machine in order for it to work properly because of the way the handles are and all these loose fittings on here and everything. So I'm going to put everything back into alignment, clean it up a little bit more, and we should be good to go. This is pretty cool to get this old machine that has basically been sitting in this in a storage building since 1983 when it was taken out of service, and we're going to bring it back to its former glory and get this thing working. And I want to thank you guys for watching and your support. Stay tuned for more. That's it.